and you can see the view is awesome. I can't hold back my excitement. We are ready for day 2.
So let's go.
Let's go. Seriously loving this trip so far.
I'm sitting on Raja's seat. I'm feeling like a Raja. Dekho meri praja.
Near Raja's seat, here is a temple called Mariamma temple. We will first take the blessings. We have now reached Omkareshwar temple. Can you see them? Can you? Okay, it went below the... Okay, it is very clearly visible.
देखो मुंह उठा के देख.
मुंह उठा के देख रहा है.
देखो.
अब बढ़ रहे हैं हम अपने अगले डेस्टिनेशन के लिए, दैट इज अभी फॉल्स. It is Abbi Falls, quite away from the main city. So I would suggest don't look for hotels near this site, otherwise you will be very far off from the main city. The main plantation of this area is coffee itself. And these are coffee beans. They are still on the plant. It would be plucked, dried, roasted, and afterwards prepared. You can hear the sound of falling water at least 1 kilometer away from the falls.
That's how peaceful it is.
And we have finally almost reached to the falls, and you can see the view is awesome. I can't hold back my excitement. Oh my god, it is beautiful. Seriously mesmerizing. If you can hear the sound of falling water,
You can see the falling water also.
should be able to see it now. Look. This is the beautiful Abbi Falls. Usually in the rainy season the water is much more than this, but still it is still looking very beautiful. If you can see the view behind me, this place is a must visit. Okay, literally a must visit. It should be on your list when you visit Coorg, definitely. It is 10 kilometers away from the main city of Coorg, but definitely a thumbs up. The cold breeze is touching our faces. As it's a beautiful place, I'm not willing to go from here, but you have to continue the trip. So, bye to Abbi Falls. It is definitely a thumbs up. This is tree of jackfruit. This is the beauty of Coorg.
So we have reached Raja's tomb. Let's see what's inside.
The timings are 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Most of the places here, the entrance fee is 10 rupees, a minimal charge. So we are currently at Raja's tomb. The place is quite green as expected, and Bhaskar is gonna give the review of this place.
So we are presenting you the Raja's tomb. There are 3 tombs basically. The main tomb is located over that side. That is the main king and his queen, Veera Rajendra. His younger brother Lingaraju's tomb is over here. Rajguru's tomb is over on the extreme right. So this is a nice place to visit, provided if you have a profound interest in archaeology, if you love monuments and everything. But even otherwise, this is a good place to visit at least once.
If you don't have any interest in archaeology, you can skip this place. Otherwise, for once, yeah, it's fine to visit it. So we are halting here for our lunch. If you are a pure vegetarian just like us, this place has ample amount of options for pure vegetarians as well. So we are currently at Sri Ambika Upahar Udupi Hotel, pure vegetarian restaurant it is. Fragrance of the spices is already filling up the whole restaurant very well. This is what we have ordered, South Indian meal. It is looking delicious. So, final tourist attraction of the day, Madkeri Fort. Here we have reached. Right at the entrance of Madkeri Fort, here is a temple, Ganpati temple.
It's called Kote Mahaganapati temple. Kote in Kannada means fort. So this is a Ganpati temple located within the fort.
This fort doesn't seem to be maintained by the government.
Or by anyone.
The only thing that you can see here in the Madkeri Fort is these 2 statues of the elephant. The fort actually is just these standing walls along with those 2 statues of elephants. That's it. Okay, there is nothing else. You can skip this part. Long standing walls. That's it.
Really long.
The city view is visible, although most of the part of the fort has turned into jungle.
Basically, this is the Madkeri Fort. There is a temple of Ganpati inside, and all you can see all around is in ruins. So nobody has taken care of it. Really long standing walls, and yeah, so my recommendation is you can give it a miss.
Madkeri Fort. So the Madkeri Fort and Department of Archaeology with the Museum of Madkeri, they are together. Mostly the 18th, 19th centuries carving paintings are kept here in this museum, which have been originated basically from Madkeri. Okay, so if you have any interest in archaeology and everything, you can definitely give it a visit, else you can miss this part as well. Concluded day 2 at Coorg. We covered all the local tourist attractions like Abhi Falls, Raja's Seat, Raja's Tomb, Madikeri Fort, and the museum as well. Among these all things, number one, the best one was Abhi Falls, and after that was Raja's Seat. As I don't have much of interest in archaeology, so I did not like the fort and museum that much. But definitely, if you have any interest in the museum and stuff, you can definitely give it a visit. So that was for this video. If you like this video, do subscribe. Let me know in the comment section. I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.